Welcome everyone. We are at 13th Die and Mould exhibition happening in Bombay. I am at the stall of OMG Auto in conversation with the prestige customer of them, I would say, Mr. Ashish Patni from Patni Precisions. They use the automotive parts made by OMG Auto. Sir, we would like to discuss about your business first. How do you require the automotive parts to be there at your shop floor at first? And secondly, your collaboration with OMG Auto.
Well, we are into the field of casting molded parts to various industries, including automotive and some other various industries like water waste treatment plant, pharma plants, and been knowing Home Galaxy for quite long, more than 10 days since the days of their Malad units. I have seen them growing exponentially, and I have had good experiences with them for last 7 years. I got so many molds made from them. I would say I would rate them very highly. They are one of the few companies who are very good in giving responses and giving timely services, quality delivery, and after sales service. I mean, they are very good and they're consistently good.
Like you said, they are growing, they are expanding. They have now a lot more product ranges available with them, which they are manufacturing. So, what more you would expect from them in order to enhance your relationship with them, or maybe which could help your business also to grow together?
On a lighter note, I would want them to have a molding tie-up with me rather than investing in their own molding business. On a serious note, yes, they should continue to grow the way they are. I have seen them growing exponentially, and they offer me a locational advantage because they are also based at Vasai. So, and whenever I want anything, I mean, they are just all away. I wish that continues.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Patni, for giving us this information. Thanks a lot, everyone, for watching us.
Okay, thank you.